Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young.
Hello, welcome to our food reaction. Indonesian fans, welcome guys. So today we are going to react. This is one of our favorite food, and we even cook it in our own kitchen. And maybe today we're heading to the toko. Maybe we will have it as well again. So today we're going to react to
Indonesian street food and Nasi Goreng Ayam.
Goreng.
Translated? Goreng,
Yeah.
sorry. And translated into English, it's chicken fried rice. But
Yes, this is a
this is
video
one of my favorites.
from Travel Thursday.
Yeah.
So let's
Let's
have a
get
look.
going. Here we go.
Look at the wok. I need
Beautiful
a wok
one.
like that. One day.
Yeah, we need to get the
When we travel to Indonesia.
old one from my mom, the cast iron.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the way you should do it.
Ooh, look at that. Maybe you have a family or friends in Holland with a spare wok.
Already smell it.
So gentle.
Always egg. Egg is the best.
Egg is the best.
Normally I always put terasi first. But
Okay. He's the one who's cooking Indonesian food here, right? So. So first is the chicken. And then probably egg on the side. Yeah.
yep.
It's always nice to cook on wok, right? Okay.
Yeah.
That looks already, I'm on the smell already of that.
Sambal.
And sambals. My uncle always cooked that one as well when I visited their house. 2 days ago, you made your own nasi goreng. Yes, 2 days ago for lunch. It was leftovers, but converted like this. And I think that's what is that? The
Jahe or sere or
the other one.
ketumbar. I think it's ketumbar.
Yeah, lemongrass, something like that. Laos
Laos is also nice.
Yeah.
And this is ketchup.
ketchup.
So it's
What I use oyster
soy sauce. But they use ketchup. It's a sweet.
Yeah, I
sweet,
know.
Soy sauce.
We normally have it, but I have oyster for now. Oyster sauce.
I usually also use fettin.
Oh, the secret.
Day old rice.
The old rice. Look at that. So this is the secret of a fried rice or nasi goreng is always
Use
use
older rice or
older
the-
rice or the rice you
from
cook
yesterday.
a day before.
Yeah.
Perfect. And look at this sauce. The color already.
Yeah, because now they're gonna mix it, and then the rice is
rice.
gonna color as well, and hopefully they're gonna put some fresh things in there. Let's see.
Look at that.
Oh, I see. There we go.
I think I will have that in toko. Because we can already sit outside now. So. Lekker. See, because
You
when
don't-
you use the old rice, it
Stays dry.
it stays dry. It doesn't stick together.
And what I like is they never cook in a non-sticking pan because you don't need it. You just need a good wok. It needs to be hot. It fits in.
What is that?
Salt or fits in.
Salt, I think salt. Or MSG.
Yeah,
Roger is MSG.
a bit more.
We want to know exactly what is
This
that
is katumba.
Katumba.
Laos
Okay.
is lighter.
Okay. So let us know, guys, by
This
commenting
is
down
probably
below.
fits in or salt. So one of those, both of them is
Soy
or the
sauce.
MSG. Yeah.
I think this is soy sauce because it's much not thicker. I mean, it's lighter. Yummy.
This is so excellent. This is the street food, the way it's made.
Looking forward on the travel in Indonesia.
So, tiny bit of
Margarine
butter. Yeah. A bit
to
of
make
butter.
this, the smell.
Right. Final touches of fried rice.
Look at that.
This is so
Look at
yummy.
that. Oh, look at the texture of it. Looks so good already. Yum.
This is really yummy.
It is really yummy. Let's carry on. How nice travel thirsty actually see and film it right on the spot.
Oh. Yeah.
This is this is like a paper, but it's like baking style.
Yeah, yeah.
It won't,
Baking paper. It's,
yeah, because in Thailand as well they use like that.
Here in Europe, usually they serve fish or fish and chips in it.
Oh,
In this paper, because it's fat-free paper.
yeah, fit, yeah.
Kerupuk.
Kerupuk. Wow, I've never seen a kerupuk like that before.
Yeah,
Now they have a color, on the. Oh, I have kerupuk. We have kerupuk in our kitchen. Oh, that's brilliant. And what was the other one? I
a
think
bit of
it's
ajar.
lemon achar. Oh yeah.
Wow, that was really, really nice. I love it.
It's- Wow.
It's
Super yummy,
can't wait to
delicious.
get to the toko and get some
Yes, it's only
rice.
5 minutes away from home. So we
time
will.
for lunch.
Yes, exactly, guys. So.
So we have
stay
to run
tuned.
out now, and we have to get some fried rice, guys.
This
But
is so
anyway,
yummy, and we would like to ask about the lontong later on. What is exactly lontong? I don't know if the one. Remember, I ate before the rice, and there's something inside. I don't know if that's the one, but we'll let you know later on. We actually asked a question on community tab, so we would like you to recommend us some food that we might ask over there. So stay tuned for that, and thank you very much.
Yeah.
And subscribe for more.
All right. See you next time. Bye bye.
Forever young, ever strong, ever brave.